Hi everybody around the world. My name is Cakti Indra Gunawan, Ph.D. I'm a lecturer at the University of Tribhuwana Tunggadewi Malang, Indonesia. I'm also as a dean at the postgraduate program, University of Tribhuwana Tunggadewi Malang, Indonesia. Okay everybody, today I'm going to talk about the virus in the world now. You understand what I mean? The name is corona, okay? And the corona is spreading around the world. They are panic, they are stressed, they have a lot of problems to face the corona, right? And today I will share my experience and my knowledge to you. I, as a researcher, already made some experience regarding how to minimize the stress, how to minimize the problems in every situation. And the conclusion is the corona is not about enemy, but also about a good thing. Why I call a good thing? Because corona push you to make you close to your God. Maybe if there is no corona today, a little bit people scary about corona, and a little bit people maybe they don't care about God. But today many people think about God. They try as they can how to make their heart to be peace, calm down, and no stress, of course. So they pray to their God. God help us please. God help us please. Not only in China, also in US, also in UK, in Europe, even in Morocco, in Africa, in Asia, of course, and other countries around the world. Many people, they're scary about this virus. They don't want to die. They want to still life and health. But the problems, how to minimize the stress, how to minimize your scary. Based on my experience and my research, there are three steps to minimize the stress and to make you calm down and peace in every situation. The first, we should talk to our God. Even you are Muslim, even you are Christian, even you are Buddhist, you talk to your God, and God, forgive me, I have a lot of sins, so please forgive me. With your heart you cry in front of your God, even in the morning, even at night, you try to speak with your heart, with your God. Until you cry, it's better. Because if you cry, your heart is, will be peace. And the second, you must thanks to everything that God already gave to us. Now we are in the world, now we are a student, now we are a worker, now we are a manager, etc. Yes, we thank to God what God gave to us. Sometimes we see that many people in the hospital, they got sick, they cannot, stand up, maybe they cannot running or go around the city, but you still health. So we should thank to God. We can breathe, we can speak up, we can sleep. Many people, they cannot sleep well, and you can sleep well. You must thank to God. Even you cannot sleep well, even you have many problems, you should say thank to God, because we're still alive. We're still alive. So it means we have a lot of opportunities to push us be the best, be a good people. So we should thank not to God only, but also we thank to our friend. You have friends, they help you, thank to your friend. You have parents, thank to your parents. You have a lot of teachers, and they gave you anything that you need about knowledge. You thank to your teacher and lecturers and other people around the world. You should thank. And the three steps. You should give your money to orphan, to poor people, to everybody that need money. Maybe you can give them directly, maybe. And if you don't have much money, you have energy of, or you can help them. Maybe they are sick, so you bring them to the hospital, or maybe you don't have much money, but you help your neighbor, you clean the house, and just say thank you very much for your help. If you don't have energy to help them, you don't have much money, you have heart, you can pray to other people, even they don't hear your prayer, but God hear you. I think these 3 steps I already put in my book, The Lifestyle Method. So if you want to know more about the simple step to make you happy, to face coronavirus, to make you calm down, to make you happy, so please you can click this link below, and I hope you will be good, you will be happy, and we hope that situation in the world, around the world, become normal, and you will be success in your life. And don't forget to be optimistic. Don't forget to be happy every day, because if you're happy, your immune body will be strong. Okay, thank you very much. See you next video. Bye bye.